Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your preferences in your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to open the Google Slides presentation. And after that, simply we have to go to the preferences option. So let's click on the let's click on the tools, and after clicking on the tools, we have to click on the preferences. And after clicking on the preferences, as you can see, you will get all preferences here. Automatically capitalize words, use as smart codes, automatically detect the links. Now you have to choose that which option you want to enable, which option you want to disable. You have to do these all settings from here. And in the subtitle section, you will get also get these type of options here. As you can see, these things are provided here. You can also change them, replace them, and whatever you want, you can do that. And after doing these all things, you just need to hit the OK. And after clicking on OK, these settings will be applied on your all slides on your whole presentation. So in this way, you can make settings of your preferences. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.